This is Bern, Switzerland's capital. It's well known for its beautiful, beautiful old town. But it's also known for its rather slow pace of life. So how is that possible that life's going at a slower pace if there's a clock tower right in the middle of the town showing the exact time since almost 500 years? Let's find out whether life is really going at a slower pace in Bern. Here we are at a train station in Bern, and people seem quite relaxed. It's funny because at the escalator there's even a sign not to stand on the left side, but most of the people are standing on the left side anyway. Let me show you. Also, in Bern, a lot of people are taking their bike when they go to work or wherever they need to go. So, not a lot of stress here neither. Quite some people having lunch outside, even though it's actually freezing. So people are taking time to enjoy the sun and to have lunch. Even the cars are stopping way before people want to cross. So they have absolutely enough time to cross the street. So it feels like in Bern, life is really flowing at a lower pace. Which is actually quite nice, because in many other cities life is very busy, and here that's probably the reason why people are so calm and relaxed. So maybe that's why Albert Einstein, hi Albert, came up with the theory of relativity while living in Bern. He says time is relative. So even though there is a perfectly functioning clock tower right in the middle of the town, time does depend on your perspective. There are exactly 24 hours for everyone, and how you fill them and at what pace you live them, well, that's up to you, isn't it, Albert?